Hey everybody, what's going on? Nathan343 coming at you live once again from the power of the internet. So yeah, we got a couple unboxings today. This looks like it's been, I don't know. This one should be from Speedtech. Maybe. This is a flat rate box. Okay, we got a bunch of peanut stuffing fingers. Drop them out real quick. Let's see, we got a wiring harness. One of my wiring harnesses went bad inside my K-Force 2 light bar, so they made me up a new one and have sent me the new harness. So this I have to put in sometime. Here, I'll say, you want to paint the box? Come on. This will have to be put on sometime, and then I gotta ship the old one back to him tomorrow. So that'll get shipped out tomorrow. So that's gotta go in my files. This is something that's new that's came out. A newer light. Ouch. Cut my finger on cardboard. It's kind of a new floodlight that's out, and of course I'll put the link to this in the description. All different kinds of stuff here. That's it. That's a pretty nice looking light there. The LEDs are, instead of facing forward, they're up in the top. So this is going on the front of my truck. Got the mounting hardware and all the good stuff. Yeah, it's different, but I'm sure it's bright. I don't remember the lumens, but pretty bright. So yeah, I'll have a review of this. I'll probably do a little video tonight of it lit up, so you guys can see what she looks like, and we'll go from there. But you guys have a, let me get you a little closer view here of this light. It's got your flood optics there, your spots in the middle. It's just something different I wanted to try out, see if I liked it. So there she be. You guys have a great evening. Thanks for this stuff from Speedtech, and have a great night, guys. Peace out.